Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back to Village Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to wherever you come across this video. Please watch this video to the end and leave your comments. Mommy Joyous don't come out, can't reply some people when they say that they give Mary Rahim both yesterday concerning the live video when they say she did yesterday when they say she can't dey share tears. Many people can't dey ask questions, say wetin happen, wetin make am dey cry for that live video. Oh yeah, now make una listen to wetin Mommy Joyous and Mary Rahim talk. Watch this video to the end and leave your comments.
Yes, so my people, they receive una call since so for this video where it happened for Mary when they do in this afternoon. So I did busy since I went to shopping. We need to shop for her. So guys, what happened for here? I watched it and I've watched it again. Mary mute for here. Number one, many people come they call me, they say, Mommy Joyous, so Mary come they cry. May you check on Mary, may you ask what they happen. As I did, I don't go to that say I don't go check on her. Now I really check on her. I watch the video. Make I know what to play. I see say, Mommy do maybe. Joy, when you no get shame, come outside for a video where they do. Some people come, they say, Mommy Joy, she sure say no be prank. Now I say, make I no be prank. The only thing when me they see for this whole thing, now John, I want ask her, waiting be in a lemon plant, take come, take start this whole thing. Before it come turn to another thing. Number one thing where I want talk, Joy and Lemon know what happen. I make Lemon, Joy they always threaten and like, not like a threatening, like the secret where they get. Now we want to talk about this night. So that number one secret be say, they never wanted to come out and say they marry or they not marry. If you want use and call Pepper Mary, nah, the was what turn to another thing. See when he come meet Mary, now Mary they do this. He and Lemon come the talk enter. Now Mary reverse. What thing happen with that one? The thing come pain and she they cry. Why you they cry, my dear? Because this is all polygamy. You no go fit. Mary no go fit. I'm still saying it. She no go fit Biera. Wetin she no wish for herself, now she come dey see. She try. She no go fit so for me. So now wetin happen? Mona share the video.
This powders. No. Can I do that? Sorry, baby. This. Yeah. Oh my God. I know my wife's into that guy. This one. Oh, Julie. Yeah, wipes. Maybe my love. No, let me rest for you. What would you say? It's me. Oh yeah, sorry, you shall end like. Okay, you promoting somebody this thing? Mary, you're ignoring me. I'll pass again. Let me go and forget that boss safe. Bring it down. Yes. What color? I have red, I have pink, I have osmo, I have white, I have black.
Maybe you always do white.
Maybe you like to Mary stop now, you're sorry. Mary color now white though. You know they ever change it. I don't know white. There is not. I should do white to the no today. Are you fixing your Victor? My Victor is. I did not say Victor. I don't fix Toto. I mean your Victor. Okay, yeah. I'm fixing everything. Well, we should. This one, how much is your nails? Mary did not tell me that. For the leg. With Victor is 2,000. But if I fix it everything, I'm not the 5,000. You want for sure. Are you my 5,000? Is it already? Is it not normal? Hey! If not for us, like you come on, I want 5. So that you're all nice. I don't know, do color that will be nice. Let me show you the colors.
Hello.
See this red?
Hello.
Hey, I've never done red before. I'm not ready to find out.
Hello, I can hear you. Hello, I work from the house, but I'm not around now.
I'm not ready to find like.
I got mom service. I'll call you when I'm around.
Tomorrow like fine. I also have horse blood. That's wine color. Color, bring it up.
How about another person will still come today?
Why they come once? Why they come in a once? See this wine color. So nice. Yeah, like don't go far because yeah, I'm here to come up. So it's okay now. Maybe won't be like that. Stop opening the door. Mirror, yeah, continue drawing.
And I cry maybe.
It's okay, draw. Is it because I showed?
No, hold on. No.
Which one is fine?
Maybe are you really cried or you're joking?
Maybe. I cry.
I'm high. I'm a
Maybe. Are you really crying? Yeah, I do. Sorry, no. I mean, I'm not worrying.
Hey, why are you crying now? See they play where they play, no.